How to create an account on Reddit. Reddit is a social media platform and online community where registered members can submit text posts, links, images, and videos. Today, I will show you how to create an account on this network. First of all, it is necessary to install the Reddit application from the Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type Reddit. When the app icon appears, click on Install. Wait for the application to install. After that, click on Open to access the application. The first step in creating an account is logging in through Gmail. Choose the option Continue with Google. Select your Gmail account or add a new one through the Add Another Account option. Here, you can indicate your gender or skip it by clicking on Skip. Now, choose 3 things that interest you and will be displayed on your home feed. I selected funny videos, jokes, and memes. After choosing your interests, confirm by clicking Continue. It's time to choose a username. Reddit will suggest a username like mine. You can change it, as I will. The username should contain between 3 and 20 characters. If you have chosen an available username, click Continue. Now, choose your first collectible avatar. You can select one of the provided avatars. I will choose Comic Rella Lever. You choose as you like. If you don't want to, you can skip this step by clicking Skip. Confirm by clicking Continue. Allow Reddit to send you notifications by clicking Allow. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your profile. And as you can see, your profile is ready. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, follow us for more tutorials.